Embedded cargo insurance is transforming the entire industry by offering the customer insurance when they are most likely to consider it, at the point of sale. Redkik has created a transactional solution which streamlines the purchase journey through an API integration and offers customized pricing based on dynamic risk factors and dataset from multiple sources. In the background, Redkik system uses complex AI and machine learning algorithms, but for the user, this is reduced to a single line item for an unmatched ease of use. Next on stage, Redkik.
Hello all, my name is Kalle Salminen, I'm the VP of Asia for Redkik. Joining me here is my colleague and our Chief Technology Officer, Antti Vikman. We are here to tell you about the Redkik's transactional and embedded insurance solution to better help serve your customers as well as to transform the acquisition of insurance by using artificial intelligence and machine learning. In today's marketplace, it's actually the customer who's in the driver's seat of the insurance acquisition process, and they want currently better individual, flexible, and easier to purchase solutions so they can concentrate on their actual core business. But there's an actual over $3 trillion disconnect between the actual needs of the customer and what they actually end up purchasing. Why is that? Insurance is complex, it's inflexible, and it's also even often annoying and difficult to purchase. This is what we are here to change. We, in actuality, want to bring to the customer what he wants, when he wants it, and how he wants it. The time of the one-size-fits-all solution is at an end. And this is why Redkik basically created a transactional solution that can be embedded in any kind of system currently in use by API integration. It's also the easiest one to use in the market by far currently, and we use basically the data sources to bring the most accurate and the most tailor-made solution to the client at the point of sales. This is where the client is most likely to actually make the transaction too. And by using the Redkik solution, it actually means that you have less risk of losing the client throughout the transaction because the client is actually using the one-point interface from beginning to the end. We can also deal with the problematic customers and not to risk any other users in the meantime, as well as bringing more security and flexibility to our insuring partners. This is where my colleague Antti Vikman will here now demonstrate to you the simplicity of use of Redkik, although it's quite complex actually in the background. Antti, please.
Thanks, Kalle. I'll show you quickly how easy it is to actually inquire a policy from a Redkik solution. So normally, when you are in any kind of a booking system, such as this for a freight forwarders, you're already inputting all the data that we need for our purposes. So what we are doing is we prevent the double entry and collect the data directly through API integrations from the booking system. So what you would do normally here, you would basically go fill out the information from where to where are you shipping things. You would tell what you are shipping, what's the value of that one. International shippings, you do the commodity types and such for those. And then you're telling who you are as a shipper. The next thing what will happen is basically you only choose whether you want the insurance or not. We already went in between these slides back to checking that you're not on a sanctions list, you're in compliance in all the possible ways regarding what you are shipping and who you are shipping and where you are shipping it to. Then we go calculate on the background a risk profile, and we run it through a multiple different machine learning algorithms and data sets to make sure that we are matching the policy pricing correctly according to the rules set by the insurers. When we actually want the insurance, only thing you need to do is check the box, say order. In most of the world, that would be it. You are now insured. In EU, we do need to follow the Insurance Distribution Directive, IDD. So what we do, we actually send you an email telling that, hey, please do confirm that this is actually what you wanted to order. You simply click it open. It will tell where you are shipping. You will have all of the documents here, and you can basically just say, okay, I confirm this one, and you choose your payment methods, which are configurable. And that's it. Now you are insured, and we are compliant with the EU regulations. So it doesn't need to be more complicated than that. That's basically all there is for the end user or end customer that they need to do. Looking from the systems point of view, the Redkik backend will allow you to control basically any bookings that you have in the system. Here is, for instance, the one that we just made. It's recorded, booked right now. You can go to the booking holders. You can see all the events that has happened to it and such. There is a full control regarding who can access the systems, what they can actually see in the system, what they can do in the system. So for the insurers handling things, there is a full control on everything. Now, the other thing which you can do, you have a full control over the policies. You can configure the policies not only from the excluded countries point of view, which you wouldn't be shipping for reason X, Y, Z. Maybe you're only concentrated on Europe. There is a commodities which every single insurance company is excluding. Definitely, you're not going to be shipping nuclear arms. But there is a massive portfolio of pricing options telling you where you're okay on shipping things, what's the maximum values, what's the pricing things, and so on. So we have the full capability to let you control everything, and we have a statistics things which currently is a shorter version, but we can break down per commodity, per location, your exposure at any given time. That being said, when things goes bad in Suez Canal, most of insurance companies had no idea whether they are exposed or not. We can tell it instantly. We can say, yes, this is how much your exposure is, and these are the types of commodities you have there. Back to you, Kalle.
Thank you, Antti. So like Antti said, it truly doesn't need to be more complicated than this when you have the right underlying technology in use. So basically this means that you can bring your policy all the way to the sales point with the client, creating through added value to the both sides. It's a true win-win situation, basically. So because the flexibility of our technology, we are actually already broadening our scope from just cargo insurance to other industries as well. And for the end, I just want to thank you all for listening to us. And if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to find us, email us, contact us. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your time here. Thank you very much.
Thank you.